To begin, either press or mince 5 cloves of garlic. Then mince 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary. We also need a couple of rosemary sprigs. Now, for this recipe, we are using 1 rack of lamb. Cut the rack of lamb into individual lamb chops by cutting between the bones, just like so. Then, using paper towel, remove any excess moisture. Transfer your lamb chops into a freezer bag. Season the lamb chops with the minced rosemary, a couple of sprigs of fresh rosemary, the minced garlic, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Go ahead and close the freezer bag. Then ensure that all the lamb chops are evenly coated in the marinade. Now transfer the lamb chops to the fridge and let them marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Quick tip: before cooking the lamb chops, let them sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Set a cast iron skillet over high heat. Sear the lamb chops for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until the desired doneness. At 3 minutes per side, the lamb chops would be medium, and at 4 minutes per side, the lamb chops would be about medium well to well done. Keep in mind that the temperature will rise about 5 degrees as they rest. Oh, and one more thing. Sear the lamb chops in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Once the first side has been seared, flip them over and continue searing on the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once your lamb chops have reached your desired doneness, remove from the pan and let them rest at room temperature for at least 5 minutes before digging in. I think that now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, easy garlic rosemary lamb chops. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye! Yeah!